Hi QAST community, I'm Robyn, Chief Executive Health and Wellbeing Queensland, and I am thrilled to announce the winner of this year's Tuckshop Recipe of the Year competition. We know that many families rely on the Tuckshop to provide nutritious, affordable and convenient food and drink choices for their children. It was amazing to see a diversity of healthy and hearty meal options entered in this year's competition, and I congratulate all of this year's finalists. So without further ado, the 2024 winning recipe is the creamy vegetable pasta from the team at Bayview State School in Redland Bay. If you struggle to get veggies into your kids, this is the dish for you. Tuckshop conveners Candice and Lisa have managed to use 7 different types of vegetables to create a pasta sauce that is smooth, creamy and absolutely packed with flavour. This one is perfect for vegetarians and can also be made gluten-free, or you can serve it with some lean beef, meatballs or chicken strips to add some extra protein. Selling for less than $5 a serve, this delicious creation is an affordable option for parents looking for a filling and nutritious lunch for their kids. Well done to all the entrants and finalists this year. I applaud your creativity and passion for improving health outcomes for Queensland children. To see the recipes from this year's finalists and for more recipe inspiration, head over to QAST.org.au.